In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to make money with bot trading on Bybit with your mobile phone. So what this simply means is that it's bots that will determine when to buy and when to sell based on the parameters that has been predetermined in order for you to make profits. And I have lost money with this before, and I have understood what to do and what not to do, and that's why I want to show you how to do that. And in case if you are new, I have been on the journey of teaching you how to make money with cryptocurrency. I have done videos explaining to you how to buy, how to sell, and all that. And I have opened a Telegram group or channel that I'll be giving you signal on what to buy and when to buy and when to sell at the same time. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So it is assumed that by now you have your crypto asset, which is USDT. I always say if you want to be trading, it's USDT you should get. So I'll just click on my asset right here. So right now my money is in derivative. So if I want to use bot trading, I need to move money to my funding account. So I will just transfer money from my derivative to my funding. Okay, so I'll just click right here. It's not BTC, it's USDT. So I'll click USDT. So how much I want to move, I can move all. Okay, let me just move $200, but I can actually move all. So I'll just confirm here. So you can actually move your money from one account to the other here on Bybit. So I'll just go to my home. If I click on my home, I will now come to trading bot. So when I click on trading bot, here is what some people are making mistake. So here, this is future grid. So this future grid, you can lose your money in split second, but the gain is also high. Look at here. Now this 1000 Pepe USDT is even, people have gained up to 5,473% return in investment. But then if you start going down, it can come down to 0 in split second. So if you are new, I don't advise you to do this future grid, except if you have chopped liver. So I always prefer using this spot grids. But so all that if I want this, any of it to trade for me, you can go through it. You will see different, you see Gala, USDT, Solana, USDT, FMB, FTT, and all that. So I'll just click on this FTT. You can copy it, it's for free. You can just click here, you will see the time that it's reading. As you can see here, copied by 6,334 people that are copying this one currently. You will see all that. There are more details. I would advise you take your time and go through it. But meanwhile, so let's say I want to copy this one, I can just click to open and see. So when I click to open and see, it's telling me that it's FTT USDT, price range 1 to 3, grid 10. So right here I can click how much I want to input. So I can just even put 50. Okay, say minimum investment amount is $108. Okay, so for me to do this bot trading, let me say 110. Okay, so if I click create now, I can click create now, and then if I confirm now, the bot will start buying and selling for me. Okay, so I have created it. I can click here to see the details, and I can come back to opt out if I want to. But meanwhile, you can just go to your home page and then click on this asset, so that you'll be seeing how much is trading for you. Look at the bot trading now. Okay, you see, as I put 110, you are seeing I'm on negative 0.9. But before you know, you see it going up and all that. And whenever I want to opt out, I can click on terminate the bot. So I can just click to terminate and opt out of it. So that is how to trade, make bots to trade for you on the Bybit. So I have a Telegram channel. I will drop the link in the description of this video. By Monday, I don't know when you are watching this video, but I'm creating this video on Saturday, 17th or 18th of August 2023. So by Monday, I will start giving free signal. So if you are watching after this date, ensure you join. Even if you join, I will be giving free signal. I will show you videos on how to take the signal, what to buy, how to sell, and all that, because the sky is big enough for us all to fly. So if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I've done video on how to do copy trading, different ways you can make money with cryptocurrency, and how to also place signal and all that. So ask in the comment section so that I can give you the link to those video, and hope to see you in my Telegram channel, and hope to see you in my next video too. Thank you so much, and bye.